Toys of terror, poisonous dolls, strangling yo-yos, toxic trucks. Every year, thousands of kids get injured by the toys meant to delight them. What is being done to stop this? By Lauren Tarshis. As you read, think about, what is the purpose of regulation? With its sweet blue eyes and chubby cheeks, My Sweet Baby Cuddle Care Baby doll was just about the cutest thing on Walmart's shelves last year. With the flip of a switch, the doll would cough and its cheeks would glow pink as if it had a fever. Kids could then examine the doll using a thermometer and stethoscope and cuddle it to make it feel all better. Sweet, right? Actually, more like ouch. It turned out that a hidden defect in My Sweet Baby's electrical system could cause the doll to become burning hot. 2 kids suffered burned and blistered fingers before the dolls were yanked from Walmart's shelves and destroyed. Chomping jaws. It might seem shocking that objects designed to delight a child could actually cause harm. But last year, a staggering 257,000 kids had to be rushed to hospital emergency rooms with toy-related injuries. Every year, dozens of toys are recalled because they are dangerous. There were the sweet-looking baby dolls made from toxic plastic. There were Hello Kitty whistles with pieces that could break off and lodge into a child's windpipe. And who could forget the Cabbage Patch Snack Time kids? Their powerful mechanical jaws, designed to chomp on plastic food, were also good at chomping on fingers and hair. The good news is that most toys sold in the United States are perfectly safe. By law, toy manufacturers must follow stringent safety guidelines for every toy they sell in the U.S. That slick red fire engine your little brother rooms across the kitchen floor, its shiny paint had to be tested for lead, which causes brain damage in children, and other toxic chemicals before it could be sold.